Welcome to the Parsimony tutorial on the accounting module. In this video, we will focus on the received items to be billed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently manage and track items received but not yet billed using the Parsimony system. Once you've logged into Parsimony, click on the accounting module to access various accounting functions. In the accounts payable section, you'll find a wide range of options to manage your payables efficiently. Click the Received Items to be Billed under Reports, then click the Show Report button. The Received Items to be Billed table provides a detailed overview of all the items you've received but haven't been billed for yet. The Purchase Receipt column displays the reference number of the purchase receipt associated with each item. In the Supplier column, you'll find the name of the supplier from whom you've received the items. The Item Name column shows the name of the received item. The Billing Status column tells you whether the item has been billed or not. If it's not billed, it means the item is awaiting billing. The Total Amount column represents the total amount for the received items, calculated by multiplying the quantity with the item rate. You can use various filters to view specific suppliers' items or check for not billed items. Among other options, to export the received items to be billed or print them for your records, you can use the Export and Print options. To view the details of a specific item, click on the purchase receipt number. In the Item Details section, you'll find all the relevant information about the selected item. If you're ready to bill the received item, simply click on the purchase invoice, then click the Add Purchase Invoice button. Enter the necessary invoice details, such as the supplier name, posting date, and due date. Parsimony will automatically populate the item details from the received item. Once done, click Save and then Submit to create the purchase invoice and bill the received item. Congratulations, you've learned how to manage and track received items that are yet to be billed using the Received Items to be Billed tool in Parsimony. Now you can confidently keep track of unbilled items, create purchase invoices, and keep your payables organized.